In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a wreath brush in Procreate. First, start with a secure canvas, click on Settings, then Canvas, then Drawing Guide, then Edit Drawing Guide, and adjust the grid size to the maximum setting. Now use the guidelines, draw a simple leaf shape. Next, copy the canvas and head to the brush library. Click on the plus icon to create a new brush folder, and let's name it something memorable like Wreath Brush Set. Click on the plus icon within the folder and then select Shape, followed by Shape Source, and import your leaf shape. Tap with 2 fingers to invert and click Done. Now click on Shape, set the rotation to maximum and enable Flip Y. Click on Apple Pencil and set the opacity to 0. Then head to Stabilization and set the amount to 100. Click on Properties and adjust the brush size to your preference. Make sure to turn off the Orient screen option in here. Next, navigate to Stroke Path and set the spacing. Use the drawing pad to test and adjust the spacing as needed. Once you're satisfied, you have successfully created your wreath brush. Please subscribe and happy creating!